Hello traders, how are you today? Yeah, today I'm home. Just I'm going to drop this rubbish here. Last time we burnt it just there. Yeah, you're welcome in my channel. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Today I've been home. I've not been able to work, and things concerning my place. Last time I talked to the landlord about this house, and she doesn't want to help me repairing this house here. Yeah, and okay, she was demanding me 2 months of rent, and I got the money, and then I gave her that money. And before I gave her some 2 months ago, she said, you keep the money for 2 months and then you give me at once, and then we shall be able to have enough money to work on the house. And when I gave her the money, she didn't want to work on the house. I've been waiting for her almost now a week. Yeah, and all I wanted was to plaster these walls, as I said, because this house is soon falling. You can see how bad the wall is. You see, even here is bad all the way through. Okay, all around the house the walls are so bad, and I see my life in risk. Even you can see this side is all gone. Yeah, so there's a technician, there's an engineer I brought right now, and he was very surprised that how come that I'm still alive. This house has not yet fallen on me. Yeah, that is it. And remember, I'm staying here with my son, and every month I give the landlord the money. It's now 6 months I've been giving her the money. She couldn't invest in this house. Yeah, but I believe that when I finish with my loan, I can easily save some money and work on my project, and then I can shift. For today, I'm going to use my own money to repair this house. But anyway, let us work on the house. And here are the sand that we are pouring, the cement there, and I believe that all will be well soon. I will keep showing you what is going on. Mufuko? Huh? Guys, we are doing some mixing. Yeah. After mixing, we mix with water and then we plaster. Hiyo ndio kwa nini mimi sitaki kumsumbua sana na words zangu na mambo zangu. Sitaki kumsumbua sana. Alibaki watoto 2 sasa. There's a dead cat there. Hey. Hiyo pusa likupa hapa ama nitupe wapi? Pusi hiyo amekufa hapa. Chimbe nizika hapo. There's a neighbor that has poured here these pills. I don't know for what, but I'll let her remove. Now we are mixing up with water and then start to plaster. Alomambia hivyo. Walifanya mzuri. Hata umeni save life by the way. Mbaya. Mzuri, lakini tena nyumba tuue. Nyumba tuua kijana yetu hiyo. Mbaya. Mbaya kabisa. Ndio first born yako. Mimi najua. Ndio first born. Sasa ndio huwa first born yetu. Mimi vile naweza kuniua ndani no. Sisi wote. Ama family yote naweza kukufa. Yeah, we are just now almost starting to plaster, but first we have to pour some water here. And also we are jazzing, having our stories, you know. Subscribe, like and share. Man. ate agenda kunyiga agenda kugoba mu nyumba
tasobola kuba ojja kiku ojja mutwala wakyamanya mugambe babiri olaba ojja mutwala wakyamanya mugambe omukemi yangamba nsimbikirenge sente anteerereza ennyumba naye n'agamba tenga ndaba enyumba ebadde egenda nenkwata ezange nenzitegeeza mu omwezi musatu nga banno
true. What you said is very true, and I will do that. Very bad. Yeah. Woo. It has been a long time that I'm not working hard like this. COVID. Huh? Nga musubiza bingi. Matafali. Nze ndaba nga nyingi wano. Ate sobolinako kwa experience ukimanyi. Genda biliye. Wiwooma. Experience. Vadi. Nemwe video osobola kusomamu namba yo kubanga genda kutaka mu YouTube. Abantu bajja kukubira esimu ufune contract nyingi. Agakatonda sikulimba. Abantu bagenda kulaba video mu online. Guys, this guy is very experienced. Bawe number yo tomanya, they will call you.
So man. Ndandike.
Hey. Hey, it's okay. We can use it. Tandika.
074 0 28 Nyamurundi 2 Mukaga. Elinya Joas. Yeah. Joas.
Kati omuntu ayagala kuzimba nyumba oba any service o contactinga ono mweyo namba ne mu luzungu sawa kubawa kubanga si baganda bako yebalaba zino video
na ku luzungu
chama mu ku luzungu
information number
ayo namba jidemu ku luzungu
074 04 28 44 6.
Yeah, that is it. In case any of you want service, please contact this guy. He has done a great job and he's still doing a great job. And I've known him for a while. He has a very serious experience in buildings, civil engineering. Yeah, civil engineering. That is it. Yeah. So today I want to show you exactly what happened on my house. Yeah, you can see that all the wall that wanted to fall off, that was almost falling off, is now complete. Yeah, okay, not complete yet, but it's somehow support. Can I say stronger? Yeah, it's now somehow stronger because before it was falling, but now it is well plastered. However, the materials were not enough. Look at that thing there. She was over looking at me. I don't know why. There she goes. she disappears. Yeah, she was just staring at me while I'm making content about this. Actually, the cement and the sand were not enough, but I believe that the one that we have placed here will support this house for a while until I shift. Yeah, until I move to another house. You can even see this side, even at the corner here. Those are quite enough, okay, for this house to stand for a long time. But before this place was plastered, I was in a very high risk, because even when I brought this guy who worked here, he was even scared. He told me that he was very scared because the house could have anytime fallen on us. And I've been telling my landlord about this for so long, but she could just promise me I will fix it, and she doesn't fix. She could say, okay, you send me money for this month, I'm going to use that money to repair the house, but she couldn't. Yeah, and then this month was the last month that I talked to her about it, and I sent her the money, and she said that I will come on. And she said that I will come on Sunday, but Sunday passed. After 1 week, no one came, so I was like, okay, for the sake of my life, let me repair the house. But if I had any money on me, I would have just shift to a better house and leave this house like this. But because I'm in a very critical financial condition, I used the small money that was in my account, mobile money account, and then I just started to secure my life. Yeah, guys, the most funny thing is that where you see the chicken, they're digging. I believe that they're feeding on the maggot, because there was a cat that was dead and was thrown on the soil there. So I had to dig the hole and bury the cat, but it wasn't very deep. Okay, but also these chickens, I think that there's a way they sense what is underground. They smell something underground. They sense it, because the cat I buried there was not seen. Okay, but they were able to dig exactly the same spot, and I saw them feeding on the maggots. I wonder how they spotted it. Probably, I think they have some mechanism in their head that can help them out to spot things which are underground. Yeah, they're feeding on the maggot from the dead cat. The flesh is decomposed. Yeah, I can even smell it from here. Yeah. Yeah, guys, you subscribe, like, and share, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.